Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is Thanksgiving. I would like to thank all the subscribers who have always supported my YouTube channel. With your encouragement, I will work harder on every video. 2 years ago, I posted a video about the energy of Moldavite. At that time, I made a promise to myself. If the number of subscribers reaches 100,000, I will give out a Moldavite jewelry as a gift. Today, I will make a wish, hoping that next year I can give this gift away. Okay, let's get back to the subject today. Last week, I received a Garnet bracelet and the 18K yellow gold beads from a local customer. She wanted me to put the gold beads into the Garnet bracelet and cleanse it, so she can wear it on Christmas. Okay, there are 22 beads in the bracelet that fits her wrist perfectly, and the 5 gold beads smaller than garnet. I will choose the best 18 garnet beads to make it for her. Okay, the 18 garnet beads are ready, and they cannot be divided equally to fit in the gold beads. So I may do 4 and 4 and 4 and then 3 here, like this. Okay, check the holes. Okay, large enough to fit 4 cords. And I'm gonna use this rose red color, 0.8 mm flat elastic cord. Thread the needle and then start to thread all the beads. Let's see how it looks. I think it's pretty nice. Okay, the last step, 2 strings go through the 2 circles on this side and then pull all the beads. Now tie 2 knots, 1 and 2. Right now, cut the strings and leave it a little bit. And don't hide the knot in the gold beads, because the hole is too large. The knot might come out anytime. So we have to hide the knot in the garnet bead. The bracelet is done. What do you think? And these few months are the peak period for online and customized orders, so updating videos may be slow, but thank you for your support as always. That's it for today. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.